This was my dad's 1986 C10. I haven't been able to get out to work on the truck as I live about 2 hours away. So this cutoff for the battery has been really helpful as it helps keep the battery pretty fresh. So I hopped in the seat, put in my Bluetooth key and tried to get it to start. I guess I was trying it too hard, and after maybe like 20 seconds, I could see a little bit of smoke come up, kind of like in the direction of where the starter is. I went out back into the engine bay, and I hooked up my jump starter, hopped back in, tried to start it. It's making a weird noise, so I shut it off, let it rest a little. Then had my son hop in, try to start it, but it sounded like me after I ate Taco Bell. Then I went under the truck, hammered it, and see if that'll help, but no, still no luck. But since I live far away, I have to get going. I'm gonna try and clean out my garage, and maybe I could bring it home soon.